And my boyfriend was supposed to send me a text when the post officer person came. Listen to me, I'm so excited, I can't talk. Anyway, yeah, so I've been totally bummed. Oh man, why isn't it coming? It's not here. And I'm so tired, I didn't sleep last night very well. And I came home. This is what's in my bed. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's open this thing.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9,
I just got my Merbella Studios tail in the mail, and here's the box, and it's so big, and oh my god. I'm opening my Merbella Studios tail.
My Merbella's tail just came, and
Today I received my Merbella's tail.
I got my Merbella's tail today.
So yeah, I'm opening my Merbella's tail. I can't even talk now, I'm so excited.
I'm shaking. I'm that excited. I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm so excited.
Really excited. Luckily, I'm excited to open it for you all.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, I don't even know. Oh my god, I honestly just can't believe this is happening.
sunrise, it's a brand new day, so gotta make a little list to keep the worries away. I gotta dance just a little bit, move to be free. Keep my head up, don't forget to be me.
Oh my god!
$1 million like it hit the pay dirt. Gonna smile from ear to ear, the kind that makes your face hurt. And we'll laugh, jump, sing loud, not afraid to shout about being happy, living it out.
Oh my god, it looks beautiful.
That turns into a beautiful evening.
God,
And together
beautiful.
and if you wanna sing, then come along with me. That's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, and if you do, you have to.
It's amazing. See it? Oh my gosh, look at it.
Come on and say, oh, 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 oh,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
come on, come on, come on and sing.
Guys, I am just blown away right now.
Oh my god, this is my baby. I am so freaking excited. You have no idea, guys. I'm not gonna try to hyperventilate. Oh my god. Sorry for not saying much, but I'm just speechless.
Okay, it's exactly like the picture. It's hard to set in.
And if you wanna sing, then come along with me. That's right. And if you want a good tomorrow,
It's
simple, gotta find a right follow. And if you do, you
Thank you, Raven. Thank you so much. You honestly can't even understand how much it means to me. I'm so excited right now. Thank you, Raven, so much. This is amazing. Thank you, Raven. Thank you so much because brought my dream to life. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.